A loose random wheel, detached from a moving vehicle, is probably one of the most unlucky things you can encounter. There are many videos where loose wheels are the main cause of troubles, but this one tops them all. An unusual event where a wheel detached from a Chevy truck and rolled right under a Kia minivan, causing it to shoot 7 feet above the ground in half a second, was captured earlier this year by an onboard camera. As the driver of the Kia, there's honestly not much you can do. But as the driver of the pickup, you can go directly to your tire specialist to congratulate him for sleeping through the lesson on tightening bolts.